It is Sunday, the 10th of January 2016, and I'm doing the audio commentary for this past Thursday and Friday's trading, Thursday the 7th and Friday the 8th of January 2016's trading. So we're going to have a look at the trades and then also look at where I am in the combine, stats and graphs and all that good stuff. So here you can just see I've just moved to break even on the first of, I think it was 2 trades on Thursday, according to the rule set. So when I broke structure, I moved to break even. Now I was looking for a reversal candlestick to get out for a 1.5 R gain or bigger. So here we're on to trade 2 of Thursday. Same system, same approach, just the one pattern. In according to the rules to break even when it moves a certain distance in favor, and then see if you can get to your 10-cent target. 10 cents corresponds to 1.5 R, 1.5 risk units after commission, because I'm risking 6 cents per trade. So you can see it just got to 9 cents in favor there, and I remember thinking, just a little bit more, should I take it off for 9 cents? I stuck to the rules and it came back in my face and took me out for break even. So now we're on to Friday, and we see I'm short on the momentum reversal at 33.10. I think I was looking for it to reach 33.03, so just 3 cents before the whole number, because the rationale is if my system offers me edge, then once it goes 6 cents or more in favor, we're past random, in the sense that if I'm risking 6 cents, then it should be able to go at least 6 cents in favor or greater if indeed I do have edge. So here you see we're just approaching 3 here. There we go. So I moved to break even. I had my target out there at plus 20 cents because I just like to let the market tell me when it's time to get out of the trade. So it did go 10 cents in favor, which technically speaking is enough if I wanted to take the trade there. I don't think the ask reached 33, so I could only have booked 9 cents, not 10. And so it messes around there and it eventually stops me out for break even. So while we're waiting for that to happen, we'll just have a quick look at business plans and such. So here is my graph. You can see I'm at, these are the stats, not the graph. I'm at 0.2749 expectancy, so getting 0.27 times my risk average per trade in terms of a gain. 51 trades, so quite a decent sample size. Average loss $38.68, 109 and some change for the average win. Only a 33% win rate, which is a little on the low side, but that's some error on my part because the drawdown has been exacerbated by me not following the rules all the time. So here you can see the graph. You can see I had a huge drawdown, ironically, after I started talking about my gains to some trading friends and so on and so forth, sharing it with family members. And okay, let's go back to the chart now because we're on to the next trade on Friday. So we got stopped out of the first one for break even after it going just about 10 cents in favor, and now I'm short here on a re-entry on a momentum reversal. Yeah, so as I was saying, here you can see all the days, the winning days, the losing days. I had a big clump, 5 losing days in a row, which followed a period of 5 winning days. So this is emotional variance once again. It also was the Christmas period. Here you can see the profit and loss by trade, winning days versus losing days. I've now allowed myself to have up to a $190 down day. So that's why you see this down day here. So we just got stopped out on the second trade on Friday. And you can see my buy limit order there. I was waiting for this trade to just get past the 200% time extension of the Fibonacci tool. And it was a little on the steep side, so that's why I hesitated, and I eventually missed that trade. Looking to the business plan, we'll just bring up the business plan here, wherever it is. Yep, you can see here's my very simple business or trade plan as part of my business plan. Those are the rules I have there. I trade between 5 and 8 Central European time, so that's midday and 3 in the afternoon Central Standard Time in America, or 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern. And that's my business plan there. And the last thing I wanted to cover off before we get back to the trading commentary is my journal. So what I've realized is I've had 3 issues in the past week or 3. An unwillingness to get out when opposing signals occur, not being physically present, arriving after my 5 o'clock start time, so basically not being organized, and to a lesser extent being away from the screens mentally and physically during the session, and then resistance towards waiting for the correct moment to move to break even. So I see 2 things: unwillingness and resistance, and then I see physical and mental presence. So we're going to sort both by getting up earlier and being at the PC by 5 to 5 Central European. Here, yeah, you can see here we're back into a trade after a couple of hesitations and uncertainty. We're back in here short, about 20 to 8 I think that was, so we're short here, haven't moved to break even yet. Yeah, so as I was saying, getting up earlier and being at the PC by 5 to 5, and then pushing my comfort zone by getting some more runs in and just training a bit harder in terms of the physical training I've been doing, because I feel that this helps me to be able to tolerate the discomfort needed to get out of trades when opposing signals occur, and you have that worry of okay, so here's the last trade on Friday. That penultimate trade stopped for break even, got in just before 8 o'clock at 33 even, and I have a 20-cent target there as standard, but just looking for the market to dictate when to get out. And yeah, as I was saying, to deal with the unwillingness and the resistance, I need to train more physically, and in terms of the being physically present, I just need to do my training in the morning. So yeah, you can see it broke above this swing high here, and which also happens to be more than 6 cents in favor, so I moved to break even. Was watching for a reversal candlestick, and then it popped above those highs there. Really, I should have left it to get to plus 20, but it was Friday. I just couldn't take it anymore, so I got out 2 cents sooner. So more training in the morning, get up earlier so that I can get to the PC and be physically present. So I'm going to do more of what I'm doing, and I'll get in another update as and when I see fit. Take care for now.